Well, I thought I was recording the whole time. I dug in here and I wasn't. So this was the dead potato plant, and I had a great harvest. Ta-da! Not really. I guess I planted them too late in the season. It would have been a good harvest if I would have timed it right. Look at all the little tiny potatoes. They're way too small. Perfect for a soup. But yeah, way too small. This has been the story of my life with the red potatoes. Sweet potatoes I've mastered. The red ones, not quite yet. So that came from here. Again, too late in the season. There's nothing else in here. I've already gone through the whole thing. I thought I was recording, but I wasn't. But hey, I spared you the the not so great news with not having big potatoes. It's all right. All right, lesson learned. Gotta time it right the next time. God bless. We'll see you guys next time.